I came back to life 14 years ago and I'm still feeling so strong and healthy, and I love seeing that in other people. For now, I think you're going to get a lot of benefit just by making those changes.
Okay, all right, awesome.
All right, stay in touch. I can't wait to hear from you, okay?
Okay, I will. Thank you very much.
You're so welcome. So I just got off the line with a wonderful woman who's had lupus for 20 years. She's now 60 and she's ready to kick it to the curb already. And the cool thing is she understands now the power of nutrition. So 2 years ago, went plant-based, and for the first time started to notice that her energy felt better. She started to be able to move better. Well, wow, nutrition means something, right? Well, back in January, she started doing my protocol. She went to my free classes, started adding in all of the smoothies and the salads and the omega-3s and water. And she didn't quite get to the level I want yet, but just by significantly increasing those foods, she said she felt like she was coming alive again, like the brain fog lifted. She was able to go up and stairs again like she couldn't do for a long time. And she just feels like everything's starting to come back online again. And it's an amazing feeling. You know, I had lupus for 12 years and I remember just feeling like, man, it's just hard to do anything, like walking underwater almost, you know? And I felt that feeling. I came back to life 14 years ago and I'm still feeling so strong and healthy, and I love seeing that in other people. So really for her, we're just tweaking things. She needs to get her water the rest of the way up. She needs to get her omega-3s up higher. We need to fix some issues that I found within her diet. But it was just little tweaks. And a lot of times now people come to me and it's pretty easy work because since I teach all my stuff for free, I teach all my protocols for free. So when people learn for free, if they do get stuck, it's usually just small tweaks. So I just think she's this close. We're gonna make a couple tweaks, and I think very shortly, she's gonna be pain-free and feeling great. So I can't wait to hear from her and keep up with her. And I hope all of you guys are learning what you can. Make sure you're going to my website. If you go to smoothieshred.com, you can get free recipes for smoothies, and you can get articles that we've written and videos we make every day. My husband Thomas and I are constantly looking out for you guys and trying to make sure you have the information you need to get better. And if you ever need help where you get stuck, Skype consultations are great because I can look at what you're doing and look at your history and help you make the changes you need to so that you can get the rest of the way to healthy. So I'm excited for you too. Make sure you're going after your health, okay?